Guys, get ready with me to eat spicy noodles for the first time. The reason why I'm doing this is because, the reason why I'm scared, and the reason why is because I cannot handle spice. But I'm doing this because I'm doing it for you guys. But before I eat the ramen noodles spicy, can you subscribe? Thank you. Okay, I'll eat it in 3, 2, 1. So really, my tongue's freaking straight. See, but good. Recommend if you are a spice person. Cook a snap. Cook a snap. Bye.